Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our weekly live business information session. And today is week 10. And yes, I'm Khushbu, live from Calgary. And I just want to say today is a beautiful day. It's been kind of warm, not that very chilly for an October, for a fall day. And as you can see, it's a beautiful day. It's sunny. So yes, and here I am for our weekly business information session, and today I want to talk about something. Well, I get asked a lot. People talk a lot about this. I get a lot of messages about this thing. So most of the time people message us and they ask us all the time, what is this business about? Please give me more information. Please give us more information about the business. Yes, we are here for you to give you all of the information you need, but the first thing that you need to do is to watch the free webinar, right? And most of the time people who message us who are asking questions about the business, they haven't even watched the webinar yet, and they want to know more about this. Well, I understand people are curious, you want to make the first move, but you won't be able to go forward without watching the webinar. This is the first step, right? All of the information that you need, it's there, and then I am your point of contact. Then you text me, you message me, provided that you have watched the webinar, you know what you're gonna ask me, right? So yes, this is something that it's important to watch the webinar first. And also it's a free webinar, so you've got nothing to lose. You just need to invest 90 minutes of your time to watch the webinar. 90 minutes is equal to a whole movie, a whole soccer game of 90 minutes. So yes, if you want to do this business, the first thing is to watch the webinar, because let me be clear on this. If you do not have time to watch a webinar, you won't have time to manage this business, to run this online business. It all starts there. So yeah, it does not mean anything if you want to rush and get all of the information, but yeah, you just have to take your time and go through the webinar and then ask me any question that you want. I'm here for you. And also I want to stress upon the fact that this business, people, it might be for you, but it might not be for you as well. So how will you know if this is gonna work out for you? You have to give yourself a chance to watch the webinar first, and then you can go from there. And yes, as I always say, I am always stressing on this point, you have to watch the webinar. It's a free webinar. What do you need to do to watch this? You go on our website, which is www.goatishkhushbu.com, and there you go. You register with your name and your email ID, and you will be able to watch the webinar, and then I will be your next point of reference. You text me, you call me, you message me. I am here for all of your questions. So yes, this is what I wanted to talk about. And yeah, you've got nothing to lose. It's a free webinar, so yeah, go for it. And you will get to know if this business is really meant for you or not, right? And yes, this is business thing that I wanted to talk about. And very exciting news, as you might have already seen on our business page. I am flying to Toronto tomorrow with Mel, and we will be meeting our business partners from Toronto. And yes, I will be flying. I am the only one flying. Atish cannot fly with me. He has to work, poor guy. And so yeah, I am very excited to meet everyone, and we will be sharing a lot of pictures. We will be doing a lot of go lives, and this is gonna be very exciting. I hope you enjoy your nice weather in Toronto as well. And yeah, this is it for me. This is what I wanted to talk about today. And Also, a very important thing, many people, they have a misconception about this business that once I get going, I am making money quickly, as fast as possible. But no, this is for the long haul. It's for the long run. You don't get rich. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You have to work for it. You have to be patient. You have to invest your time in it. And yeah, you cater to the needs of the business, and the business will cater to your need. This is how it works. It works both ways. You give it time and it will give you whatever you need. So yes, and yeah, so this is it. All you need is patience, determination, and passion. So yeah, that would be all for me today, everyone, and I hope you enjoy a nice rest of your evening, or maybe you're just getting up and you're starting your day wherever you are across the world. Good morning or good afternoon to you, and I will be taking off now. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope to see you next week for our week 11 of live business information session. Yeah, so take care everyone, and I will see you soon on the other side, hopefully. And yes, yeah, thank you everyone. So have a nice day. Bye.